Welcome to Habitly Episodes, a production of Manage to Win. These short animated lessons are now completely free. Watch them on your own or work through them as a team. Please subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and share your favorite episodes with others. Try to find something that helps you become your best.
Episode 8, Don't Leave Them Hanging.
What? Yeah, the new people always forget to ship a package. Oh, Gina, I've got another call. That's right, focus on solutions. You're the best. Talk soon. Hello? Whoa, language. What's the problem, Denzel?
Sorry, Tommy. Man and Dr. House came out there for a second. My secretary just returned from the job site and said the pipe installation hasn't even started. Everyone's just sitting around. I told you, we are on a strict timeline.
Okay, now I understand. I'm so sorry, Denzel. I thought the work was underway. I'll get to the bottom of this and get back to you ASAP.
Thanks, Tommy.
Ooh, what's up, Tommy?
You tell me, Chester. I just got an earful from Denzel.
Oh, about the pipe delivery?
Yes, about the pipe delivery. The pipe for all of the plumbing throughout this entire building?
Yeah, that one. It didn't come in.
Yes, I know that now. When were you going to tell me or Denzel?
I don't know. I just assumed you knew.
Okay. Next time, assume I don't know what's going on and I need updates. I'm a heart surgeon in the middle of an operation and I need to know how my patient is doing. Where's the plumbing crew? Are they still on the clock?
Yes, Doctor.
No, that was a metaphor.
For what?
Never mind.
Do you think the pipes were delivered to the other site?
That's what I'm about to find out.
Hey, Tommy, what's up?
Hi, Gina. Did our pipe shipment come in over there?
Yeah, it did. I've been meaning to call you guys all day, actually.
Man, when that happens, you gotta tell me that so I can explain what happened and tell the client. We need to be proactive about communicating our progress. We're now behind schedule. Every day we're behind, we lose money.
Right, but half the crew didn't show up, and now we're short-staffed.
Gina, it's a one-line text. It only takes a minute.
Yeah, you're right. Sorry about that. I'll get those pipes on a truck right now and send it over.
Thank you.
All right, guys. You're not really needed here for the rest of the day.
Don't you need to check with Tommy first?
Nah, those pipes probably won't be here until tomorrow.
Oh, no.
Dang. Now I see why you didn't sign up for the Tough Mudder.
Wait, whoa, stop. Wait. The shipment is coming. It's on its way now.
Does this mean I'm not going to get to finish reading Anne of Green Gables?
No, we still need you, sir.
Oh, man, I was just getting to the good part.
Chester, we need better communication. Before you let the crew go, you need to communicate.
Hello?
Hey, Denzel. Just wanted to follow up. The pipes are here, and we're beginning installation. We'll work a little extra time to get back on schedule.
Happy to hear it, Tommy. Thanks for the update. Sorry for getting so angry at you earlier. When it's noon time and I haven't had my sub sandwich, I'm gonna start taking bites out of people. You dig?
Not a problem. We dropped the ball on this one. Next time, we'll keep you updated on the status of a problem as it's being resolved.
When you're solving a problem for a client or a coworker, practice these habits to show them they are important and keep them updated on the status of the problem. Number 1, immediately acknowledge their request for help and then proactively communicate your progress as you solve the problem. Number 2, tell the other person about significant progress, delays, or completion of tasks, preferably before each deadline. Number 3, with each status update, provide a new deadline for the next status update. And number 4, continue proactively updating the person until the work is done and they have confirmed the issue is fully resolved.